Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this anti-penultimate video, we will be discussing the rules for al-mim as-sakinah. And I would like to correct a mistake I made inadvertently in the previous episode. There is one more video which will be the different annotations in the Qur'an and what each one means, including different calligraphical annotations as well. Then that will be the penultimate video, inshallah. Then the last video would be the recitation video. And in the annotation video, I will also discuss a principle in recitation called imala, which is only found in one position in the Quran for Hafsa and Asim. That will be discussed in the next video, inshallah, bi'idhnillah. And before we start, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashraf al-anbiya'i wal-mursaleen, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsanin ila yawm ad-din, wardallahumma anna ma'ahum ajma'een, Allahumma ameen. For this one, we will take mim sakinah, so it has a sukoon. Remember, if you see a meme with a tanween, it follows the tanween rule. It does not follow this rule. For the meme rules, the meme sakinah, there are only 3 rules. First one is Eth-haar. The same principle as, it seems I am having difficulties with this graphics tablet. The same principle as Eth-haar in noon sakinah. I do not know why this is misbehaving. Eth-haar. Then you have Edghaam, and then you have Ekhfaa. So only 3 scenarios. The most common one is Eth-haar, and you will see why in just a moment. So let us start with Edghaam, then Ekhfaa, and then Eth-haar. So let us create an empty space. For Edghaam, there is only one letter that applies, or that triggers the rule. And in Edghaam, that one letter is mim. So if you have a mim sakinah, either in one word or in 2 words, followed by another mim, you combine them together. It will be the same as noon sakinah or a tanween with a mim. It will be mim, mim, and that is of course with ghunna. With ghunna. Let us take an example to help understand this concept. Was Surah Al-Ghashiyah, that is the Ekhfaa. We'll come to that in a moment. أَنَّهُمْ مَبْعُوثُونَ there. This is a meme with a sukoon, and as we said, if a letter lacks a diacritic, it automatically means sukoon. أنهم مبعوثون. أنهم مبعوثون. But in Arabic, or in Quran in particular, the key is to have the words flow and roll off the tongue smoothly. That is why Tajwede exists. ألا يظن أولئك, this is a مد متصل, just to remind everyone. This is a noon with a ghunna because it has a shadda, and this is also noon that has a shadda, and mim with a shadda. So we have 3 positions for ghunna, but this is how you would make idgham, or you would fuse the mim with the mim. أنهم مبعوثون. أنهم مبعوثون. You simply add an extra emphasis to fuse the 2 memes together. So it is as if you are reading 3 memes instead of 2, because actually I should say 4 memes, because this is 2 memes in one with a sukoon, one with a fatha. This is a meme with a sukoon, so it is as if you are adding a shadda to this as well. أنهم مبعوثون. that is idgham. أنهم مبعوثون. There is no distinction between the two words for idgham. Next comes Ekhfaa. And Ekhfaa is exactly the same as with the noon Sakinah and the tanween, except the difference is instead of a noon, the trigger here is a meme. But it sounds exactly the same, that strange sound that I cannot define, unfortunately. The letter that comes after the meme Sakinah that triggers Ekhfaa here is ba. So if you have a meme in one word followed by a ba in the second word, provided that this meme has a sukoon, you will create Ekhfaa here. And let us take an example so that I can recite it easier. So the mutaffifin was the idgham. Surah al-Ghashiyah here would be for the Ekhfaa. Alayhim, as you can see, it does not have a diacritic, which automatically means it has a sukoon, followed by a ba. Now, linguistically speaking, if you are reading an Arabic book, it would be alayhim bimusaytir. However, in the Qur'an, you would enunciate the Ekhfaa. Remember, you will remove this as if there is a missing letter here. عليهم بمسيطر. عليهم بمسيطر. عليهم. You do not say عليهم. عليهم بمسيطر. Exactly the same as with the noon Sakinah or the tanween. You draw your lips closer to one another as if you are closing your mouth. However, the lips do not touch. There should be a space of a few millimeters between the upper and lower lip to enunciate the strange sound. عليهم بمسيطر, the Ekhfaa sound. Lastly, we have Eth-haar, and the reason I left Eth-haar at the end is because the remaining 26 letters are Eth-haar. All the other letters except Meme and Ba are all Eth-haar. And I will show an example. That will be Surah Al-Buruj, if I recall correct. Yeah. And you can see the sukoon above the meme, just like you can see the sukoon on the noon for Eth-haar. But I would not rely on the diacritic just to be safe. إذ هم عليها, that is Eth-haar here. Hum, Eth-haar means show it or reveal it phonetically. The listener must hear the meme, identify the meme. إذ هم عليها. It is not hum عليها, or it is not hum عليها, or I cannot really formulate idgham between a ayn and a meme. It is nonsensical. So here in Eth-haar it would be إذ هم, hum, enunciate the meme, إذ هم عليها, إذ هم عليها, إذ هم, Eth-haar, bring it forth, عليها. And that is it with regards to meme Sakinah. I'll just write here 26 letters are the Eth-haar letters, except the 27th and the 28th, which is Ba for Ekhfaa and Meme for Edghaam. So here is Edghaam, and that one is for Iqlab. Sorry, not Iqlab, that is Noon Sakinah. I meant Ekhfaa. Yeah. And that is it with regards to this lecture. I hope the contents of this video were beneficial and helpful to you all. I will see you in the next video, inshallah. Enjoy the rest of your day, be safe, and take care.